This is a piano tutorial for My Heart Will Go On, and I'm going to call this a intermediate song primarily because of the key signature. There's a lot of black keys to watch out for. It starts in the key of E, which is 4 sharps, and it ends in the key of A flat, which is 4 flats. So it's tricky there. You've got to watch out for those black keys. And so I'll show you the fingering first, and you'll notice if you're using my lead sheet from online and you're one of my instant piano students, the melody is written an octave higher than I'm playing it. And I suppose maybe that's where Celine Dion sang it, but I'm not singing it there, and I'm not playing it there either. I think it's easier to play it down low. You don't have to mess around with all these ledger lines above the staff. So I'm going to start with my 3rd finger on E, and it's so you can watch out for the D sharp there. 3rd finger on E, that's a sharp there. Also a G sharp, F sharp, back to E, D sharp. Phrase repeats itself. You start on E again, sharp there, sharp there, sharp, sharp. Then you're going to put this is the beginning of the chorus, and you're going to put your 2nd finger on E, and then it goes to F sharp. Then you play a B, and it goes up an octave like this. Up to that B, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, another sharp. Your thumb is going to be on that E note, and you're going to go over with your 3rd finger on this D sharp. And 3rd finger there, 2nd finger on that C sharp. Then that repeats itself. 2nd finger on E, F sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp, and then your thumb on E again. You go over with your 3rd finger on that D sharp, thumb there, 3rd finger on D sharp again, and that gets you to the end of the chorus. There is another verse there. I'm not going to be playing that here because it's the exact same as the first verse. So you play the 2nd verse, you go back and you do that chorus again. And then what you do is you take at the top of the page, you'll see it says to coda. That means you're going to go to the coda on the next page. And it's a little instrumental thing with a C sharp chord. Goes to that A flat chord. I'll show you the chords here in a bit. That's the transition chord to the next key, and you're going to be playing your 2nd finger on A flat this time, B flat with your 3rd finger, thumb on E flat, up to that E flat, D flat, B flat. Now there you're going to put your thumb under on C. So you can get your 3rd finger like that on D flat, back to C, and then you're going to put your 4th finger on B flat there. And you run out of fingers, and you're going to go over with your 3rd finger there. That repeats, 2nd finger. Thumb on E, C, 3rd finger, 4th finger on B flat, So that's the melody. Pretty tricky. Watch out for those black keys. I'm going to show you the chords here. And we'll start with an E chord. And I'll be playing it like this. E, G, sharp, and B. My Dreams is a B chord. B, D sharp, F sharp, and B. There's an A chord, C sharp, E, and A. E again, E, G sharp, B. And then a B chord, D sharp, F sharp, and B like that. E again, E, G sharp, B. B chord, D sharp, F sharp, and B. There's an A chord, C sharp, E, and A. Two measures of that, then it repeats. E again, E, G sharp, B. A B chord, D sharp, F sharp, B. There's an A chord, C sharp, E, A. E again. Another E again. Another B again. Now you're on the chorus. Your second finger's on that E again. Oh, excuse me, this is a C sharp minor chord there. C sharp, E, G sharp. There's a B chord, D sharp, F sharp, B. There's an A chord, C sharp, E, and A. B chord again. C sharp minor again, C sharp, E, G sharp. There's a B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp, B. There's an A chord, C sharp, E, A. There's a B chord. You need to play the B like this, B, D sharp, F sharp. So you get your melody note in there. Then that repeats. C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp. A B chord, D sharp, F sharp, B. An A chord, C sharp, E, and A. B chord again. C sharp minor again. There's a G sharp minor chord, which is D sharp, G sharp, and B. There's an A chord, C sharp, E, A. E chord, a B chord, C sharp minor there. Then it's got a B. And it goes on to the second verse, which then goes back to the chorus, which is what we just did. And then we have a coda. It's got a little instrumental part in between there with some melody there you'll have to work on. It's a C sharp minor chord. Then it's a C sharp, so it's C sharp minor, B, A, B, C sharp minor, B, A, C sharp minor, then you've got an A flat. which is A flat, C, E flat, which goes to this F minor. F, A flat, and C, your melody notes there. There's an E flat chord, E flat, G, D flat. There's a D flat chord, D flat, F, and A. E flat again. E flat, G, B flat. F minor, F, A flat, C. E flat again. D flat. Goes back to E flat. That repeats. F minor, F, A flat, and C. E flat. D flat. E flat. F minor, F, A flat, C. C minor, C, E flat, G. D flat, F, A flat. A flat, E flat, A flat, C. E flat again. Which ends on an A flat, which is E flat, A flat, C. So that's the solo version of it.